In our previous video on Apple Notes, we showed you why it's a much better note-taking app than you realize. If you have not watched that video, click on the I button or link in the video description to watch it. When you watch that video, you will notice that Apple Notes formatting option doesn't support Markdown, which makes the app harder to interplay with other note-taking apps like Obsidian and Loxy. In this video, we'll show you how you can overcome this limitation by exporting your notes in Markdown format. We'll be using a third-party app called Exporter. You can download and install the application from the Mac App Store for free. We have provided a link in the video description. After you install the app, follow these steps to export your Apple Notes in Markdown format. First, launch the Exporter app and grant it access to your Apple Notes library. The app will display all your notes. Click on the wrench icon to customize your export settings. In the customization options, you can choose whether to append or prepend the creation date to your exported notes. Further customization options are also available, such as setting the date format for your exported notes. If you only want to export specific folders instead of the entire library, you can use the filter button. However, please note that this feature requires a paid version of the app. Finally, click on the export button and choose the location where you want to export your files. Click the export here button to start the export process. And that's it. The Exporter app will export all your Apple Notes in Markdown format, preserving the folder structure you had created in Apple Notes. Any attachment, such as images or PDFs, will be exported to a separate attachment folder. Now that you have your Apple Notes exported as Markdown files, you can easily import them into other note-taking apps like Obsidian or Loxy. This allows you to seamlessly transition to a new note-taking system while retaining all your valuable notes. By the way, if you're switching to Obsidian or Loxy, don't forget to watch our best plugins video for both these apps. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.